Want to create videos for free in a few clicks for your channel? This is the way to go. This is a tutorial. Don't miss it. You will love it.
Oliver and Rosie bounded across the glittering fields, laughing all the way. Everywhere they bounced, flowers would bloom in their wake, spreading their sweet scent of happiness. Cleopatra was born in 69 BC and belonged to the Ptolemaic dynasty, a family that had ruled Egypt for over 200 years. But Cleopatra was different from her ancestors. She was very intelligent and could speak several languages like Greek, Egyptian, and even some Latin. She was known for her beauty and her cleverness. When Cleopatra became queen,
Let's start. First, just sign up with your Google account. Let's check out the features. There are several options. We're going to focus in videos. Wow, so many categories. Have a look at them. They look amazing and the result will be really good. You also have tools, image background remover, image style transfer, for example. Just explore it, you're going to love it. Now it's time to choose one. I'll choose History for Kids. Let's go to a mysterious story from Cleopatra. What do you think? Choose the language. If you want, you can have a presenter. Now let's choose the ratio, which is the format, and the video style. So many, so amazing. Just click generate, and then when it's over, just click download, and it's yours. Don't I bring you the best free AI tools for you?
Don't I always bring you the best free AI tools? If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.
Well, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.